My name is David. I'm a Coke Plate Frontier from the Genesis Group. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick market update. I'm going to try to make this quick. I notice I keep saying quick and then they always end up being like almost 20 minutes long or longer. Let's look at Coke Play. Right now, if you look at the chart for Coke Play, if you look to the left, yeah, we're at a state where it's good support level at $4.88. Once again, if Coke Play does not break $7 within a week and maybe a day or two, we're probably looking at sideways consolidation. Okay, and that'll probably take like 2.5 months. It could take a little longer because as Coke Play matures and ages, well, yeah, it's gonna these consolidation periods will take a longer period of time before you see a move up. However, yeah, I still think that in this case, if Coke Play doesn't break $7 in a week and a day or two, then we will move sideways for about 2 to 2.5 months before we break $7. Now, in a worst case situation, let me, if let's say Coke Play does break down, if it does, remember, I'm not your financial advisor, but I would look at that as a great opportunity to buy in because once again, Coke Play, you have these buyers, you got these plunge protection team buyers that just want to buy it up whenever it has these big dips. And if it does break down, let's just say once again from previous video, you're gonna have good support around $3.42. Okay, $3, anywhere between $3.30 to 42 cents, you're gonna have good support. Also around here, this between $2.86 to $2.96, like imagine around 280 to 295 something. You're gonna have really good strong support if it goes down. But then the way I look at it is gonna be like this dip that we just experienced here, where it's just going to be short and then boom, you're going to see it move back up. So to me, that's a buying opportunity. And that's like, I'm telling you the worst case situation because I'd rather tell you the worst as well, because I just told you the best case. The best case is Coke Play, the coin is going to break $7 in a week and a day or two. That's if it does. If it doesn't, once again, probably 2 months to 2.5 months of sideways consolidation, and then you'll see a move up. Coke Play has lots of developments and contracts and moving and just upgrading, and so everything about Coke Play just screams success. Between the CEO, the administrative side, working on K-Stadium, making contracts with Busan City, just everything else that they're doing to upgrade a platform and the hardware, software, just everything is just legit. Remember, Coke Play actually have their own stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, if I recall. Well, I'm not sure if it was. I think it is New York Stock Exchange, but anyway, they have their own stocks and is on the exchange, and even the Coke Play stock that they own is skyrocketing like KOK-COIN. All right, now let's look at Bitcoin. I'm sorry, that's the wrong chart. Okay, so if you look at Bitcoin, it's trying to move up. The way I look at it, Bitcoin around this price, 45,000. So anywhere between 45 to 47,000, I think Bitcoin's gonna get stomped out. Now, could I be wrong? Absolutely, I can be wrong. Can Bitcoin not even reach 45,000? Anywhere between 44 to 45, 47,000? Sure, I can be wrong. Just that's what I think. And the reason why I'm saying that is because here, if you look at this, I was calling for, a bearish divergence where you kept seeing the price go down, but the RSI, the lows are, a bit higher every time. And so I said, you're going to see a move up, and it did. And now what I'm expecting is I'm going to expect the RSI where you're going to have Bitcoin reach like 48, 45 to 47,000. It's going to break higher, but then the RSI is not going to reach this top right here when Bitcoin only got up to 44,000. And so yeah, it got up to about almost 46,000, right? So imagine if Bitcoin breaks 46,000, gets to 47,000, okay? But however, the RSI doesn't cross above the previous RSI at 46,000, and then it starts breaking down from around 46,000 like that, chances are then Bitcoin's going to start heading down. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you can see it. That's what happened here. You see how the RSI here was high and the price was, let's say 65,000. At least the candle broke out that way. And then yeah, when it went for a higher high, the RSI was lower. Okay, and so that's why I'm saying that. All right. If you look at KOK-COIN to Bitcoin, I mean, let's look at this. KOK-COIN still from 1 year ago is about 883% higher from 1 year ago. If you look at Bitcoin from 1 year ago, is minus 27%. So I mean, which one is better? All right, so I think that, says enough in itself. If you look at Bitcoin right now, and some of the altcoins are moving up, or actually a lot of altcoins are moving up. However, if you look at KOK-COIN in general, Bitcoin does move up first, and then, you wait a bit, KOK-COIN will move up. So I wouldn't be worried about that either. And that's pretty much it. I do think that because Bitcoin did move up first, maybe in a couple of days, within a day or couple 2, 3, 4 days, I don't know. I think KOK-COIN will move up. All right, just because when it comes to moving up, KOK-COIN does lag a bit typically, but at the same time, when Bitcoin moves down, KOK-COIN, does better, a lot better on the way down. So sometimes KOK-COIN actually moves up when Bitcoin, the other markets, move down. All right. We've seen that plenty of times. So that's pretty much it. We'll see what happens in the next week and some change for KOK-COIN before, I would probably conclude that KOK-COIN is going to have a sideways consolidation. And yeah, and for Bitcoin, rather it still wiggles up or down, I still think it's going to reach whatever 45 to 47,000. I could be wrong. So that's what I see in the charts. All right. And remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I think will happen, and I, just giving you the reasons why. Now, everyone out there, please stay safe. Remember, don't stop praying or wishing the best for, the Ukrainian citizens and the Russian citizens too, because they're suffering as well. Obviously, the Ukrainian citizens in Ukraine are suffering much worse. So we want to pray for them, and pray that the conflict will be over soon. I personally think by the end of May, before the end of May, they'll have some kind of agreement and Russian troops will be pulling out. Could be wrong. Uh, Other than that, please stay safe out there. Take good physical care of yourself. And you want to exercise, stay healthy, also stay spiritually healthy, mentally healthy. Okay, surround yourself with the right people, join the right groups. Even if you're physically healthy, but you're mentally unhealthy, it's going to take a toll on your body. You need a good balance of both. All right, so remember, I'm praying for you guys. Love you guys. Coke family, please stay strong. Please stay healthy. Please prepare because things will probably get worse in terms of inflation and everything else. All right, everyone. God bless y'all. Really, God bless y'all. Coke on.